Hello everybody, Princess and the Bear here. We're back with another Disney Food at Home remake. Because we missed the parts, as I'm sure you all do, so we are cooking ourselves to death while we wait for them patiently to reopen.
We're going to Epcot and we're going to French Canada?
Because you start in Canada, or you're wrong. Just saying.
Mexico.
I mean, say all you want. It's Canada or you're wrong. Period. Mexico. Shout out to our two favorite Canadians, Laura and Jace.
We're going to Canada and we're making poutine.
Oh, did we not say that? So we're making poutine. We're going to go cut up some potatoes and hopefully we don't lose a finger. We'll see you soon.
Be sure to Canada!
Not kaboom.
Kaboom!
You heard the girl. We have finished our recreation of poutine from Canada, plant-based.
With a newish mozzarella.
Yes, a new product from one of the plant-based cheese companies that we get food from a lot. They just come up with a new mozzarella wheel, like fresh mozzarella, and you snuck a little taste. It tastes pretty good.
Yeah, honestly. It does.
So we have a delicious little spread. This is a bit bigger than most of the poutines you get in either Canada or the refreshment port. About half, but I mean, there are two of us.
Yes.
So we're digging in?
Yes.
You know where to start. This looks so good. Gravy-y.
All of it in one bite.
Cheesy-y. Curd. Ooh, cheese is like...
It like crumbled.
Mmm. Melty. As
I
it
like
should be.
melty.
Dink.
Dink. Ooh. Mm-hmm. The cheese sets it off.
Mmm. That is poutine.
Does it remind you of Le Cellier?
It does. Now, mind you, last time we went to Le Cellier, I had a lobster poutine that was super rich. And I liked it, but I'd wish I'd actually gotten the house special poutine that time.
Yeah, you tried it and you loved it. Our friends at Foolish Morgan's got that.
Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
There's something about gravy and fries and cheese bits. It just gets you like right in here. I would say this effort was definitely like a 4.5 out of 5 claws. I would make this again. This would be something that we would cook and experiment with.
Oh yeah. There's so many different ways that you can make poutine. This is just the like pseudo standard version. It's not cheese curds, but it's pretty dang close.
Mm.
And often mozzarella is substituted for curds. The gravy that we made from scratch, of course, you can always use pre-made gravy.
And you could, you know, get pre-cut fries or something like that.
Yeah.
We like bacon our fries. We don't really like a lot of grease in our food, so we went like the healthier route and hand cut. But I mean, this right here, I mean, if you were just making like a frozen fry and gravy, you could make this in probably like 15 minutes.
Well, I think frozen fries take like a good 20-25 minutes to cook, but still, I think it's worth it.
Mm.
These curds are hitting really hard.
This is like good movie food.
Oh, definitely.
Brand new Disney Plus movie and a bowl of
Poutine, yeah.
So thoughts, Princess? Anything you do differently?
I mean, beside the fact that I'd love to try other fancier versions of poutine, I think this, for a traditional poutine, I approve. So no, I wouldn't change anything.
I would agree. If you guys have tried any poutine, either in Epcot, in Canada, the Fresh Report, or even the poutine stand Disney Springs, let us know. Is there any others that you'd like us to remake, veganize, or so they say? Let us know. Always, the comments is going to be the place to let us know that. Hit the notification bell if you want to see other videos like this, and
we have new videos 5 days a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday.
And we will see you soon.
Be sure to subscribe.
You heard the girl.
Is this the poutine, the signature?
Yeah, this is the signature off-menu poutine. And that is so good. I would eat this all day.
So first we're going to try this off-menu poutine, which looks beautiful. Chives and curds. That gravy with the cheese is like super savory. The fries are fresh and a nice bite to them. It's like a personal size heaven. 4 to 5 claws. I would definitely get this. We're here, home, because that's where everybody should be. Hope you're washing your hands, hope you're safe.
Yes. It's been actually kind of nice having Disney at home. It's like little pieces of Disney.
Yeah, not that hard to do. Honestly, we thought a lot of these foods were pretty complicated, but
they're really not.
With some internet searches and Google and the power of the internet, obviously it's not
And
that
your
hard.
mind. Because nothing's more powerful than the imagination.
One little spark.
I was totally going Phantasmic there, and
Yeah,
you went
completely
straight to Figment.
Yes, I
you
did.
freaking jerk.
Because Figment, we know, is the king of all things Epcot. So, we're going to go and cut up some potatoes. Hopefully we don't lose a finger. And we will see you soon. The cheese held its shape, but the second you forked it, it's locked.